2012, that is yesterday, Justice Kayode Esho calls for the withdrawal of National Assembly constituency allowances. Listen to the former Justice of the Supreme Court. He said the constituency allowances of the National Assembly members should be stopped, while the bogus allowances of the executive arm of government should be drastically reduced to provide funds for provision of infrastructure and other social services for the masses. If implemented, he said, there will not be any need for fuel subsidy withdrawal. In a telephone interview on Wednesday, he said the money that will accrue from the constituency allowances and the executive allowances will be enough to sustain fuel subsidy. Justice Esho stated that constitutionally, members of the National Assembly should not be involved in the execution of projects in their constituencies, adding that the allowances of the executives were astronomically high. The allowances of the executives are incredible. They are more than the subsidy that are given to us for fuel. Our National Assembly